Hi, my name is Van Bush. I'm the owner of Cooper & Bush Physical Therapy in Benbrook, Texas. This video is one in a series of videos. The series is intended to demonstrate the way to perform the exercises commonly provided to our patients at Cooper & Bush. I hope you find this video both informative and helpful. Okay, well, we're back with Nathan in a series of videos on stretching exercises, and this exercise for home exercise use is going to be stretching hip rotator muscles. Most often your therapist will probably tell you you're stretching your piriformis muscle. That's one in a group of muscles that move the hip in a specific way. This exercise is going to be done first lying on your back, and later I'll show you how to do it in a sitting position. So go ahead and lie down if you will, Nathan. Great. Now to stretch the hip rotator muscles, what we're going to do first is we're going to have you bend both of your knees. Great. And what I'd like for you to do is to cross your legs so that your left ankle rests on your right knee. That's great. Sometimes this is referred to as the figure 4 position. And we're going to have Nathan first I want you to take hold of your knee with both hands. That's it. And what you're going to do is just gently pull this leg towards you. It's okay for this foot to leave that thigh, and where you're going to be feeling the stretch is right in through this hip and buttock region. A lot of times this exercise is done with a slightly different technique. I want you to go ahead and back that off, and if you'll reach through your leg and grab that thigh and then pull the whole works up. When that comes this way, you'll notice that the entire lower part of the body is moving. It doesn't provide near as much stretch as we do it the way I'd like to see it done, which is with just the one leg coming up and pulling up and across the body like so. You should feel a stretch right in this area, and he's nodding yes if you can't see that. And just like with any other lower extremity flexibility exercise, you want to hold that stretch at a firm but not painful level, and you hold it for 30 seconds to get the maximum amount of stretching potential, and then ease the pressure off. At the end of the stretch, that stretching sensation should go away, maybe not immediately, but fade out over a few seconds. So now I'd like to demonstrate how to stretch that same set of hip rotator muscles, again mostly called the piriformis muscle, and we're going to use the same figure 4 position using the legs. Nathan, what I'd like you to do now is, once again, let's put your left ankle up on your right knee. Great. Now from this position, I want you to once again keep a nice straight upright posture. In just a second we're going to turn to a profile view so that the people watching can see that. But what you're going to do is don't round your back, but allow your body to tilt forward. And you should feel a pulling in the hip and buttock area on the leg that's crossed over. Here again, you want to hold that position for a count of 30 seconds. And then use your arms to slowly bring yourself back to a start position. Let's go ahead and swing down and around into a profile view, Nathan. Good. And so that they can see that, let's this time cross the other leg over. And once again, let's get you to keep a nice straight profile. There we go. Ear and shoulder and hip line up nicely, and now take a bow. And as you lean forward, you're going to get that same pulling. It's going to be in the hip that's crossed over, back and through here. And once again, hold that for a 30-second count. And at the end of 30 seconds, we'll call it a little short just for now, and come on back up. All right, at the end of the stretch, that same feeling of pull should fade away. Take a couple of seconds to fade away. You should never feel worse after performing the stretch. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about this video or any of the others in the series, or would just like to talk to a physical therapist, please contact us at our website at cooperbushpt.com.